These are AI influencers. They have over 200K followers, millions of views, and are making 10K a month working with brands in fashion, sports, and lifestyles. And they're not real. But how? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own AI avatar using a tool called HeyGen so you can promote your brand like this.
Tim may have made me, but Nicky got me selling and making money off of AI quicker than he did. I'll give you this perfume for
create engaging content like this.
My biological father gonna come in my life, and when I would talk like that, I end up...
And even clone yourself like this. Yep, that was AI. So let's get right into this video. All timestamps are below. Now, I know there's a lot of hate and fear when it comes to these AI avatars. It's all on my timeline. It's not about replacing people. It's about giving the creators, the entrepreneurs, the brands, new ways to show up, to stay consistent, to scale without burning out. Because the tech is here. It's those who are actually going to use it that are going to stand out. So let's get right into HeyGen and use it. So first, let's make a character that's going to represent our brand. I made this guy to represent mine. And I used ChatGPT to make him, but you can use any AI art generator. And I'm going to give you the prompt and put that in the description. Now we have to go inside of HeyGen and go to photo to video using Avatar 4. And I'm going to show you how to do this on mobile too. So we're going to click here. We can use any of their sample photos or we can upload our own. I'm going to upload mine. Boom. Then you want to add your script or upload any recorded audio that you have. So I have a script and then I'm going to select a voice. And to really make him come to life, I'm going to put some instructions under the custom motion to make sure that he moves his hands as he talks. I got my script, I got my guy, and then I'm going to hit generate video. And this is how it came out.
I only have a few seconds with you before social media flags us, but I work for Nicky. We create many videos together talking about the power of AI, and I may have my own channel one day. Tell Nicky to give me a chance.
All right, 1 to 10, what do you think about that? So for the mobile app, you're going to hit that plus sign on the bottom, and then you're going to go to video Avatar 4. And on the top right, you're going to hit Avatar 4 video, and your picture, if you haven't uploaded it already, is going to be there, or hit that plus sign on the left to upload your photo. Then you're going to put your script in, or you can record it right on the phone or upload an audio. So we're going to put the script. Boom. Then you get to pick the voice that you want. And then under how you want the avatar to move, I'm going to put those motion instructions like I did before. I'm going to make sure it's 1080. And I'm just going to hit done and hit generate. So that's one of the ways of how to create an AI avatar. And that also includes those baby podcasts that you've been seeing all over. And I'll link up a video that shows you exactly how to do those specifically. Now, let me show you how to create the one that gets the most backlash. And that's creating your digital twin, aka cloning yourself. So let's get back into HeyGen. So we're back in the desktop version of HeyGen. I am going to show you the mobile side of it too. But this time we're going to go into create your avatar. As a quick video that you can see, you're going to hit get started and it's going to give you clear instructions of how to have the best results for your AI avatar, right? The right equipment, environment, speaking clearly and clarity, subtle movements, like don't have a whole bunch of hand movement. And then you're going to hit next and you're going to either upload your footage, record from the webcam that you have, or record straight from your phone, and it's going to give you a QR code. So I uploaded my footage and then I'm going to hit next. And now we got to give HeyGen consent. We just read that through the webcam, or you can record from your phone. It's going to review your footage and then you're just going to hit submit. Okay, so if you want to do it from your app, you're going to hit that plus button in the bottom and you're going to hit avatar. And so what you're wanting to do when you want to create a brand new avatar is hit that hyper realistic avatar. That's going to be the best one. It's going to make you record from your phone. And so it's going to give you some instructions. You're going to hit I'm ready. You're going to skip. Well, you can read those instructions. We're going to skip it for the video. And it's going to give you a script right here. And all you have to do is tap record and then read the actual script and then submit it. I did one earlier when I was walking, and this is how it looks like. I need you to rate this 1 to 10, what you really think about it. People who continue to lose influence keep saying this. Just because your influence is dying doesn't mean anything. Ryan Kaji, 13 years old, makes $35 million as a creator. Influencer marketing is projected to reach approximately $32.55 to $33 billion. It's not going anywhere. Now, I think that's crazy, but in the comments, I need you to let me know what you thought about that. Actually, my AI got something to tell you. In a world where technology is constantly evolving, why not let it work for you? Embrace the future. Experiment with your own AI avatar and see how it can elevate your brand. I still can't believe how easy it is to clone myself. Now, I need to know, which way are you going to use it? The AI avatar way, the character way, or the digital twin way? Drop that in the comments. I got the link to HeyGen in the description and the QR code is up. Plus, I got another AI tool that's going to help you scale. That's going to pop up right now.